They say that on Zlatibor, during the nights of the full moon, beings from ancient times descend, the mountain fairies. Their songs and circle dance were magic. Whoever heard and saw them could either go mad from beauty or receive a gift for an entire life. The fairies knew how to reward those who respected nature, but they also knew how to take revenge on those who defiled the springs or dared to break their circle. It is told that even Prince Marco had a fairy as his sworn sister. She bestowed upon him the strength to face battles and guarded him against his enemies. That is why, even today, people whisper, "If you hear a song from the mountain at midnight, do not turn around, for it may be that a fairy is still dancing her circle."